Don't let them kiss each other. They are like teenagers. They want to kiss all the time. When the couple get this kissing Purnalu, so they have to eat it from one side. For South Indian breakfast, chutneys are the backbone. My Punjabi friend used to say, chutney like chakde. In South Indian homes, we make so many variety of chutneys. The same dosa will be so special every day. This chutney, you have to make it little watery. Because you make this fried dumplings, you kind of, dunk it and eat it. So for this, take roasted peanuts, add red chilli, green chilli, some garlic and little bit of tamarind, and add some salt, add water and make it into a watery chutney. The next chutney, again this is also made watery. Add oil in a pan. In this, add green chilli, some tamarind, again in this garlic, and add cut tomatoes. Then add salt and make a watery chutney. Put this cooked tomatoes in the blender and make a watery chutney. You can also add pinch of sugar. Some people like to make it really sour and spicy also, it's up to you. The very beautiful, the liquidy tomato chutney is also ready. The leftover dosa batter and idli batter, what we do is we make something fried dumplings, what we call Punugulu. So for this, add jeera, green chilli, make sure they're finely chopped coriander and finely chopped onion. And once you add the onions, you have to start frying this because you do not want the onions to sit in this for a long time. Also in this, just some curry leaves. Add salt and mix this and make sure the salt is perfect. This is as simple as this. There are so many other varieties where if you have very little batter, you can also add a little bit of all-purpose flour to it, that is maida. But here purely dosa batter. Always whenever we are doing this, take a bowl of water and the batter is nice and ready. So why bowl of water? Always you have to dip your fingers there and then just take it like this and drop. So you can make little round ones. Do not worry about shape and just drop little dumplings, and these ones have little tails coming. So on the street, whenever they make this, people will come and ask for the ones with the tail. So fry them till they are nice and golden and just turn them to the other side. Now look at them, they are nice and they have to be like, they should make noise. They are nice and crunchy. You fry them till they are nice and golden like this. And you can also make them little bit big. So one tip here, in case they are sucking in oil, add a little bit maida into the mixture, mix it and it will be good. I have some sweet potatoes, then I thought why not we make a sweet of sweet potatoes. So in the same dosa batter, oil is ready. All you need to do is boil the sweet potatoes and mash them. Look at it. Already the sweet potatoes are slightly sweet. So in this add some cashew nut, some cardamom powder and also add a little bit of sugar. Do not add too much sugar, that much should be good enough. And we're going to make the dumplings out of this and then we're going to dip it in the dosa batter and we're going to fry it. We call this Buralu, Purnalu, Sugiyam and so many names. So now the sweet potato mixture is ready with little bit of cardamom flavor. Once you add the sugar and mix it, just make these dumplings. Okay, very easy. With the sweet potatoes, you can make this and you will see once you fry them, this will be one of my favorite sweet. And if you want, you can also add cinnamon powder and all that to this. Now what we usually do is, I just take some flour and just slightly roll them. So this one will catch the batter, the dosa batter in what we roll. So even with the sweet batter, whenever you do with the chana dal, just roll it in the flour and then you put it in the dosa batter. Dosa batter for this, always they use the fresh batter. That means the first day batter so that they come nice. Okay. Now take these dumplings, put it in the batter, dip it in the batter and put it in the hot oil. So the flour coating will give very good result. So now one more and just leave it like this and don't let them kiss each other. They are like teenagers. They want to kiss all the time and fry them till they are slightly golden in color, not brown, golden in color. Just when they are nice and golden, just pull them out, and inside is the nice sweet. Queen Victoria loves these kissing dumplings. And we made these nice dumplings of sweet and savory along with those awesome chutneys. But I want to eat uttapam. Add the batter, add onions, and some of the onions have to fall out, some green chilli and coriander. So now, and add oil. When you turn it to the onion side, you got to brown the onions. So, one side you cook, then turn it to the other side. Let the onions color till they are brown. These crunchy dumplings, they sell like 8 piece for 20 rupees on the streets and very, very tasty. But first, they make a watery chutney. On one side, pour this chutney, and on the other side, pour the peanut chutney. So now, the peanut chutney and the tomato chutney, literally they will make love on the plate. And here, on this, we're going to put the dumplings. One dumpling on the tomato sauce and other one in the peanut sauce. Now, dip one, this, eat it. Dip the other one, eat it. Everything is done. They will be large dumpling. You scrape it and eat. I am being warned not to do all those things on the show. Okay, Queen Victoria? They are like
crispy,
crunchy on the outside, spongy inside. Wow. So easy. One idli dosa batter, we make so many varieties. Wow. And when we were kids, literally we used to compete. The peanut chutney is so good. I want to try the tomato one. Even on the streets, they give these kind of chutneys with mirchi bhaji also and all that. So,
your uttapam.
I made uttapam for myself. I'm getting that nice onion flavor and made it a little bit crunchy. And even uttapam you can enjoy with this chutney. This sweet dumpling with the sweet potato, you can make it with many of things, but the dosa batter is the key. These kind of things my neighbor Lakshmi auntie used to make a lot of them, and I used to go and eat at their house. Look at them. Inside nice sweet.
Cashew, your favorite?
I added a piece of cashew nut also. Dear friends, morning breakfast can be very special. When you eat best of the best food, all you got to do is ding chicka 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 ding chicka.